Hello guys, this episode I will introduce a accessory. It is my self-made DIY adapter for the rechargeable battery. This is the Power 2 battery and 18 volt, 5 ampere hour. It's a very good pieces, and I will use it in my machine, milk CNC machine. This one. Now I'm do some additional features on it. So I open up this is the monitor or the controller box. Here's the monitor. Okay. And I'm not talking about this. I'm going to the back of the machine. This is a, you can see. Okay. Let me zoom this. In the back of machine is my tool changers box. This is 7 pocket, and this you can see it like a pallet. You can move forward to shoot with the spindle position. And I will use this power pad to drive the DC motor inside. There is a 770 series DC motor. I need a large ampere, and I found the transformer. This little box is not, I think it's not have sufficient powers enough, so I use this. There is a indicator of this. You can see it's almost fully filled, fully charged, and it will be located here. And there's cable inside here. This cable chain can go into, as you go inside. This is a controller cable. This is power cable. Underneath there is a hole for it to go inside. Anyway, I will explain these pieces. And before doing so, I recommend this. Unless you know well the electronics, or you don't have to try to do this before you fully understand the stuff or the precaution, because this is high power battery packed. Any wrongdoings will cause hazardous or fire or something. This almost finished, and I will do some modification on it, and I will add a small relay. Originally this let me put it inside the, I turn this back on the, this, there is a tab on both sides, plastic tab to shoot with this slot here on these two. You can see it well. And there is two metal tab here made of copper, and this will slide into this contact area. Then it will click here and lock this adapter, and whenever I need to use it, I will turn this ring power on, the lamp need to on, and here is the hose for the lead wire jumper box inside. For the screwdriver going into it, and here is a lead here for the lead wire coming out. You can see here is the ground, two ground in middle, and the first one is not here. Anyway, here is the 18 volt, the main power to be supplied to the DC motor. This is 9 volt. 9 volt is for the electronics inside the 2 changers box. It's not easy to do it one time. Sorry for that. And this is a L7809 9 volt regulator, and here is heatsink. I'm now going to do some modification. I will add this small relay. This is a right here. This is a 5 volt. I will find some space, not much space here. Anyway, I will find some space here, so I can remotely turn this adapter on and off from the switch on the monitor box. So when this relay turn, anyway, this will the main power, and I will turn on this, and further on, and I can control it on my monitor box to switch on this adapter or to activate the 2-changer box. When this relay activates, it will turn on the power of the 9 volt. So the 9 volt will go to the voltage will go to the 2-changers PCB that is located inside it, and the 2-changer box will be ready. And this main power 18 volt will always go to the 2-changer box. There is some relays inside, and in short, simply to explain, this will energize the 2-changers PCB, so making it to be ready. So further signals from the monitor will turn the 2-changers box go forward and backwards, or the 2 pockets to rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. So you will end this. The episode of this will end. Thank you for your watching.